What is up, realist? Welcome to On The Real Fishing. As you can tell, had a big old head cold drop in on me yesterday. Made me feel gross. So still kind of feel kind of off, but today we're gonna be targeting this tree, trying to see what we can find on it. Got some bluegill and some live worms a little bit further up yesterday. So I'll let you see these guys right now. Check them out, see what we caught. There we go. There's a fishy right in that little pocket. Nice little bluegill there on the river. Trying to finally went to a different spot. And a little bluegill there. See you, buddy. There we go. A little bit better one, maybe. Yeah, about the same size. Yeah, they're good ways down there. Well, they're down there. Decided to finally catch a few. Number 3 on the day. 2 here at this spot. We get one more. There we go. Another little bitty guy. Oh, see you, buddy. There we go. Another little bitty guy. An itty bitty chunk of worm. Oh, I think this is a long ear. Nice, different species than a bluegill. Little long ear there. Back in there. He was trying to swim in the air. That's kind of cool. So we've got a couple small guys, one okay guy, but today we're going to see what's on this tree. Got all kind of stuff: live worms, bobby garland, mayflies. I bought a bunch of stuff. I got 4 different poles, so we're going to try and see if we can't catch anything. About an hour or so. So hold on tight. Let's go get on the reel. We'll try to catch some fish. There we go, first fish. What do we get? First fish on that bobby garland. Slobbered it up, goodness gracious. Look at that, just completely devoured it. Bobby garland mayfly there. What do we get here? Nice little bluegill to start off the day. Nice. There we go. Oh, look at there. Oh, a little bass. Little bass on the bobby garland. A lot of them seem to be stacked pretty close to this edge. There we go. We'll get down there. There we, oh, goodness gracious. That's what everybody's hunting for right there. That was a crappie. Just not doing good on setting these hooks. Well, goodness. Catch 3 when we get here. And then it just dies. There we go. Got something. What do we get? A little bitty bluegill there. These guys are feisty. There we go. Little bitty bluegill. Whee! There we go. One of the little guys right here. These guys are about the same size as I was catching yesterday. Upside down fish review. See you, buddy. Little to stumble upon something a little bit bigger than that. So a little bass would have been nice to keep on there, but it came off. A little crappie would have been nice to keep on there, but it came off. There we go. What do we get? A little bit bigger bluegill. Not too huge. Still just a bluegill though. Alright. Old buddy there's been around a bit. See, sir. There we go. Get a little bluegill. Come on now. There's something other than bluegills. Strong bluegill. Little bitty guy. There you go. Another little bluegill. A ton of little bitty bluegill right here, but except for that bass at the beginning and the crappie that we didn't get in. Little bitty guy. Oh, there we go, a little bit better. A little bit better bluegill. Still a bluegill nonetheless, though. A little bit better one, though. Alright, dude, simmer down. That was probably going to go with him. There you go. See you, buddy. I'm going to have to reline that back up. Get him back in the water as quick as possible. There we go. Only got one more to leave on. Good old bluegill. Nothing like a good old bluegill. Alright. See you there. Last one of the day. Alright, realists, that's going to be it. Winding it up for the day. Checking out that tree right there. And we were able to get a couple good fish on it. And like I said, we got some little bluegills all over the place. Almost got a bass, almost got a crappie. So this looks like a really good spot to maybe chill out in the summertime. You never know. So hopefully you guys had a great day. Thank you for hanging out and watching. And hopefully you guys have a great day, great night, great morning, whatever it is, wherever you are. Hopefully it's awesome. And hopefully you guys get a chance to get on the reel real soon.